Hello everyone! So for today's makeup tutorial, I'm going to transform myself into a Halloween clown! I love Halloween and I love clowns, so why not mash them up together and make some pumpkin pie? So first I am priming my skin with Milk's Hydro Grip Primer. Then for my clown base, I'm taking ColourPop's No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair, which is their pure white, and I'm using a brush from an Alien Cosmetics brush set to blend that into my skin. Yeah, I don't know the name of this, but I know it's from that set. Then with my Real Techniques blending sponge, I'm adding more of that concealer to my highlight areas to make it pop a bit more. Then with my Sigma F10 brush, I almost said F10, I'm applying the eyeshadow Tako from Sugarpill all over my face to set that concealer and also help blend any sparse areas. Then, with the same brush, I'm lightly buffing in Flamepoint, also from Sugarpill, onto the apples of my cheeks, and then diffusing that color into the outer area of my eyes, temples, and a little bit on the forehead. Can't forget the nose too! And I'm also running some of that leftover shadow on the brush along my jawline and chin area. Just to give it more of a orange, huey contour? I don't know. I'm also adding that color in a circular motion to the outer corners of my mouth. Then to intensify that orange some more, I'm adding a bit of Love Plus from Sugarpill to my cheeks and blending that into the orange. And Love Plus is a red eyeshadow. And then, again, you can't forget the nose. For brows, I'm taking my Sigma E15 brush and packing on the shade Game Changer from the Melt Cosmetics Impulsive palette, and then blending that into my brow to fill it in. And then with a pencil brush, also from Sigma, I'm taking my Hydra FX in Fanny pack from Suva Beauty and coating my brow hairs with it, lightly brushing that on just the hairs and not my skin. Now for eyes, I'm taking my Sigma tapered blending brush and blending in Velouria from Sugarpill into my crease and diffusing that color into my brow bone. Then I'm just adding some more of that shade into my crease to deepen that color in some more. Next, I'm blending in more of that purple into my inner corner area and blending that up towards my brow, and then doing the same to my outer corner area of my eye. And connecting that color to my lower lash line. Once that's blended, I'm taking Poison Plum from Sugarpill and applying that to the outer corner and blending that in with my Smith 230 brush. And then adding more of that color to deepen up that shade. And then dragging that color to my lower lash line area. And then repeating that step to the inner corner area of my eye. I just love doing halo eyes on clown looks or characters that I make because it just creates this illusion of big eyes. And I just love that look. And of course I'm dragging that color into my inner corner lash line area. Next, I'm just taking my Sigma tapered blending brush and blending out any harsh lines or spots that need to disappear. Next, I'm taking Lime Time from the Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dream Palette. Wow, that was a mouthful. With my finger and packing that onto the middle of my lid, and then with another clean finger, I'm blending out the edges. And then repeating that step to the middle of my lower lash line and blending that down, kind of like a rough upside down triangle shape. And then with my Sigma E15 brush, I'm packing on a black shadow to my lash line and then slightly blending that in. Okay, now for the milk tattoo stamp. Measure carefully if you want to get this part even. So I would suggest using a white eye pencil to mark where you want to put your stamp. That way you won't end up with some wonky placement like me. Love that for me. So before I corrected it, I started drawing an upside down triangle with my Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner pen and then filling that in. Now to correct my mistake, I removed the star first with a wet Q-tip, aka I used spit because I ain't got no time to run to the sink. Then I added some primer, blended that in, added more white, and then blended that in with my finger, of course. Set it with white eyeshadow and then blended in its surroundings. So I added a light amount of orange to one edge, then I added a bit of purple to another edge, and then finally reapplying that green to the middle area of the eye. And you kinda can't tell. Kinda. Then I drew on my triangle to help guide me on where to place my stamp, and then apparently I didn't film that part or the part where I do the same to the tops of my brows, but you get the idea. And so here I'm putting on some white eyeliner, and I believe this is from ColourPop, and I have extended that to the inner corners as well. Then I'm adding some mascara, and then for the bottom lashes, I used my Smashbox lash brush to apply my mascara to carefully coat the lashes and not get any mascara on my lash line. Next, I'm adding more orange to my nose because it seems like it just got sucked into that concealer. For lashes, I'm using Huda Beauty's lashes in Farrah number 12, and with my Revlon scissor tweezers, I'm just applying that to my eyeball. Well, not my eyeball, but you get the idea. My eyelash line. And then to my lower lash line, I'm just adding a few cut up lashes to open up my eyes some more. Next, I'm taking Kat Von D's Tattoo White Ink Liner and applying that to my inner corner and lightly blending that into my lash line. And again, I'm just adding more of that orange to the edges of my mouth and blending them out. And then around my lips to give it an orange hue, I guess. Guess what I'm doing? Yep, adding more color. I just want to look bright and spooky cute. Then I lightly contoured my nose with the leftover shadow and a little bit of purple just to pull the look together. For lips, I'm using Kat Von D's liquid lipstick in Witches, and that is a black liquid lipstick. And then to the middle of my lips, I'm adding Kat Von D's Glimmer Veil in Televator, which is also on sale, by the way, for $5 if you want to know that on Sephara's website. And I'm just tapping that in with my middle finger and blending out the edges. And then I do the same to the tops of my lips as well. And then I'm adding some contacts in, and these are just some black circle lenses. Then I go ahead and do my hair off camera, but if you'd like to see a quick video on how I do my hair, it is on my Instagram, and I'll link that down below. And that's all for this Halloween clown tutorial! I love clowns and Halloween so much, and I'm just so glad I got to share this look with you guys, and hopefully help you find a Halloween costume. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I love you so much, and I'll see you soon. Bye!